Sometimes our journey takes us back to places we've already been.
We made it to Dublin. We are going to be jumping on a train here momentarily and heading to Kilkenny. If this is the first time you've ever heard me say the word Kilkenny, you should check out last February's videos. We have an entire playlist of Kilkenny things that we did. And
Go check it out.
Go check it out. And new adventure. Let's go.
This return to Kilkenny isn't about finding something new. It's about reconnecting with the city, with the people who made our last day really, really fun. The short train ride back into Kilkenny brought this familiar mix of nostalgia and anticipation. It's been 9 months since we lived here for a month, and stepping back into the city feels comfortable. We've walked this stretch so many times. The hurling statue, the left bank, the little corners we cross every day. Coming back to this city is a breeze of fond memories.
Roughly. It's a day in Kilkenny, like we've been here before. Mwah. No?
No.
All right. I don't know what to say.
You don't really have to say anything.
I guess we can just sit and film ourselves walking.
Or
But
he's crossing.
yeah, we crossing?
Yeah.
One of the reasons Kilkenny feels like home is the friendships we made while we were here. We visited Cathy again, the owner of the house we stayed in last February. We filmed an accommodation tour there, and it's still one of our favorite stays in Ireland. And we also caught up with Sandra from the Big Breakfast at the World's End Bar, where we filmed tastings last trip and again on this one. Trips become memories, but people turn places into home. Kilkenny doesn't need to be loud to leave an impression. It's the quiet corners, the churches, the old stone, the way the city lights fall at night. These were the moments we came to love. Coming back after traveling through so many new places, it feels grounding to return somewhere familiar. The castle dominates the landscape, and the Kilkenny Design Centre and this courtyard were part of our routine during the month we lived here. Returning to it now feels like picking up a bookmark exactly where we left it. It's the small things. From the colorful facades to the colorful pub culture, these things are lasting memories for us. If you missed our earlier Kilkenny adventures, the markets, the medieval stories, the art, the food, all those chapters are still part of our story here. Coming back to Kilkenny isn't about checking sites off a list. It's about reconnecting with the place that became part of our life. We've made memories here, real ones, and every corner of the city carries a little piece of that story. This trip wasn't about discovering something new. It was about remembering why this place felt like home in the first place. And after months of travel, sometimes the most meaningful journey is circling back to the places that stayed with you. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't yet, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.